is going to be showing you how to use the Actions tab within Studies. So you find your Actions tab right here, at the top of the screen. These are your functions. You can add a new site, delete selected site, edit study, create basin, delete basin, edit basin. So the first thing we'll do is we'll add a new site just to show how that works. So we're going to put MH2. You can edit the pipe size and the households here. So we'll put 55, and then we'll just hit add new site. As you can see, we now have a new site. We're going to click it, just let it follow our cursor over there. Then we'll zoom in just to make it so you can see it. The next thing you can do is you can delete a selected site. So the easiest way to do that is you click the site like that, set it highlights, you go here, delete selected site, hit delete, then you're back to your one original site. The next thing you can do is you can click on a site at any time, go back up here, hit edit selected site, and you can change anything within this tab. The next thing you can do is you can edit your study. That's basically just changing the name of it. The next step is deleting a study. You can create a new basin, but we recommend if you're going to do that, just click on the add new basin over here. If you want to delete this entire base one, you hit delete basin and then you hit delete. And then finally, the edit basin tab. So to use that, we're just going to add a new site here really quick. And we're going to show what this tab is for. So the edit basin tab, you can do a few things here. You can make upstream or downstream sites. And basically what this does is it connects the manholes. So if I want manhole 1 to have an arrow going to manhole 2, I hit this upstream. You can use this here to help you. Let me fix that, put that back. And then you hit the check. Make sure you hit that check or else it won't lock in, and you hit update basin. And then you'll get a flow line going from here to here. I'll do another video on that so that people can watch that, but this is just a quick overview of the tab.